the alley with long, tall Sally and me. Liza met Adelita running the score. Say, hey, Lita, if you wanna cop some more, there's nothing going down till 3:45 in my house. Just bring Joan at 3:45 in my house. Lita said, Liza, no, I'm coming alone. Don't go mixing my mama, my man, and my home. Joan on the telephone, record a message, said Joan's not alone, goodbye now. I said, oh no, I've been through this before, goodbye now. Joan's not alone, Liza's lying on the floor, and Adelita's looking sweet, but I'm running out the door, goodbye now. Goodbye now. Joan's not alone, Liza's lying on the floor, and Adelita's looking sweeter than I ever seen her looking before.